Over the last 20 months of travelling, we've visited 15 countries in total and caught 50 flights in a short space of time. We've been lucky enough not to miss a single one, and that's because we've got the whole travelling with a baby down to a T. We've even put together a guide to help you out, so go and check it out. But we soon realised it was a whole different ball game in India. From the traffic,
our flight lasted an hour and we still have 25 minutes to go.
And the check-in processes to the strange security checks.
Right, we're gonna have to go back.
Gosh, every single thing that could go wrong is going wrong. It started to make us rethink, was it even worth travelling to this disputed region of India?
We missed our 8:20 flight because we got to the airport at 8 o'clock. Surprise, surprise. So that's 258 quid gone down the pan. Now we're going to Terminal 2, which is about a 5-minute walk, because there's an Indigo flight that goes at 9:40 and it is 8:15. We got to buy our ticket before 8:40, an hour before this flight. So we're paying the extra because if we don't get to Ladakh today and go tomorrow, our hotel booking gone down the pan as well. It will just cost us now. So
Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to spend another night in Delhi.
This could be the first time in history we've ever missed a flight. We've always had close encounters and we've always ended up making it. So Irfan is trying to book us some flights for the flight at 9:40, which is about an hour and a half. Irfan, how's it going?
Let's see if we can get the tickets. Check-in closes 1 hour before. It's 8:30. We've got to buy the tickets and in 10 minutes find the check-in, give our luggage in.
So she should book in your flights now?
Yeah. This is going to be some expensive ticket. It's going to cost 90 quid for the tickets and then probably about 170, 180 for the luggage. Packed like they said. Gosh, every single thing that could go wrong is going wrong. 3 cards declined because they're not working. Let's see if American Express saves the day. Voila. American Express saved the day.
Okay.
We have tickets.
Tickets! We've got an hour left now to get to the next flight. Let's go. Oh, again? Right, we're gonna have to go back because that's gonna cause trouble at the gates. So she needs to print it off again.
Okay, so it should be fine, so let's see. The name is spelled wrong. Usually they give you a penalty for that.
They do? What?
They do, but let's see. We've got to check the baggage in. I just saw on the system, we have a very interesting one. If you don't check in an hour before, you're deemed as a no-show. Bear that in mind here. I mean, usually for domestic flights, it's about 45 minutes, but here, 1 hour before, you have to get to the airport at the very, very minimum.
Well, the thing is, we've always gotten to the airport an hour before, haven't we? But it's just like, sometimes the process has taken us like half an hour, so we've kind of just said, oh, we can just come in half an hour next time.
No, give yourself at least an hour and a half, I'd say, at the airport, because there's a lot of checking, all that kind of stuff. Let's get our baggage through, see what happens.
55.
Bang on. I think they allow on domestic flights 30 kilos each, so we are 25 over. Let's see how much the excess is.
That's going to be how much?
Suppose about 140 quid. Could have got the 1110, checked in nicely.
Well, you've got calls, haven't you? That's the thing.
I mean, we have everything. Let's take the trolley.
Let's go! We are making our way to security now and we have 46 minutes. So we're just waiting for Irfan now. Security here is quite strict. All the electrical needs to be out in one of these little tray boxes, and we have a lot of equipment in our camera bags, drones, camera, batteries, everything. Even the tram got stopped because we had some toys in it. Time now is 9:05. Our flight leaves in 35 minutes. Daddy just getting checked now.
Everything has to come out of your bag. Everything, cameras, wires, chargers, bang, hard drives. Pretty much my whole camera bag has to be dismantled apart.
Now you're gonna have to repack it.
Take it out as well.
Oh gosh. Okay, we are through.
Oh
Finally.
my god. That was so bad.
Oh gosh. I think I actually seen it online or someone's YouTube video where they said like literally you have to take every single wire out and explain what each wire is. Your drone wire, your camera wire, your USB wire, any wires.
They literally like were touching my drone, not because like they wanted to take it off me, but actually because I was intrigued. Oh, I've never seen a drone before, so he was playing around with it. Yeah, but I was just like shitting myself
That's
when he was like
lucky
playing with
because
the
I
drone.
thought they could just confiscate it. I don't know what the rules are here in India. Oh, we need to hurry up then. It's 9:15. It might be closing. Let's go ask somebody. Gate 28. Here we are, right here. Final call.
Yeah.
Final call. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this has been the most stressful experience of our lives. I'm not even gonna kid you. Okay, looks like we are the only people on this bus, and let's hope he drives off anytime soon. But the thing is, we might be okay now. 9:20, guys. here we have it. And you know what? There's luggage going onto the plane right now.
Looks like we're going to be able to take our stroller on the plane, but we're getting on one final push to get on this flight. Are we going to make it? We have made it to Leh Airport, which is in Ladakh. The airport is apparently a defense one and you're not allowed to record here.
So when you arrive, you've got to fill out one of these forms. Let's take that. And our suitcases are here too. Good news. Right, let's go. Thank you. And we've landed, guys. What an absolute journey. We're now trying to find a taxi. This airport is absolutely beautiful.
We're going to jump into a taxi now and make our way to the hotel. I think we're all tired. We need a bit of food. We're going to see.
So you purchase your tickets from the ticket counter here, which is a nice little office. And then you get this yellow ticket. And that gives you a taxi ticket number. And we made it to our hotel, guys. The hotel that we're staying in is right in the left town. And it is called Hotel Spick and Span. Let's hope the rooms are spick and span when we go inside. Let's go check it out. Oh, this is nice, isn't it?
Chote babu, kaise ho?
Chote babu.
Kaise ho?
Wow, this is nice, isn't it? This has got a nice little area. Oh, thank you for the upgrade.
Thank you so much for the upgrade. Really appreciate that. From super deluxe to suite we got, and the super deluxe is a very nice room. Yeah. So thank you. Your name is sir? Akshay. Akshay. Thank you very much, Akshay.
Thank
really
you.
appreciate that.
We made it. Let's go, Zakaria. Wow, look at this. You've got a games room. You've got a table tennis. You can play that later, Zakaria. And you've got this nice little board, that game. I don't know what it's called. Drop it in the comments below if you know what it's called. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? This is our home. This is nice. Got a nice little bed here. Oh wow. And look at this. This is very nice. Radiator so when it gets cold later tonight. We got a smart TV for Zakaria. Wow, you're not going to believe it. But you can actually hear the azan going off.
I don't know why, but yeah, I just wasn't expecting that. It's probably a masjid nearby where they do the azan really loud.
Let's do the all important bed test. Oh my gosh, that feels good. I'm not even gonna lie. Today, Zakaria has hit a milestone. He asked for food. He never asked for food. Normally, we always have snacks before we get a flight, but obviously, you know, today's situation was slightly different. This guy is still jet lagged from the UK.
He's like, what, a week late and he's still jet lagged. I think the reason why, like 5-6 days later, we're proper jet lagged is because as soon as we've got into India, we've been like on the go. I think it was the last couple of days we went on a sunrise tour. We didn't go till sleep late that night. And then also we went on a food tour yesterday which finished late. Packing and all that kind of stuff was like 2 o'clock in the morning, and then up at 6 a.m. again. So yeah, I think we just need a couple of days to relax, which hopefully Ladakh will bring to us. Altitude sickness here has been real. As soon as we got here yesterday, out of breath, headaches, I don't know what it was. We were hit with something as soon as we got here. Overnight, Zakaria has been pretty much up all night, hot, sweat, fever.
So we're just going to take him to the hospital now. He's had a cough for about a week and a half, been lingering around. And it's just getting worse. So let's go to the hospital. Alright, we just made it to the hospital now. S&M Hospital. Looks like it's very, very busy.
You have to go to the front, register for 10 rupees. Yeah, just took Zakaria's name, age, and they gave us a consulting room number and a token number. Might be a bit of a wait. Let's get comfortable.
Do you want doo-doo now? Okay guys, we are now leaving the hospital. That was a 2-hour wait. The doctor, she's prescribed us some antibiotics
And some fever medication.
And she said in 3 days, if he's not getting any better, we should come back. But inshallah, hopefully, he should be fine.
So yeah, we don't have to pay anything for the doctors. Right across the road, there's loads and loads of chemists here. So we're just gonna pop over, get some medication.
And a question that we get asked all the time is, what do you do when your child is sick abroad when you're traveling? Same thing as what we would do if we were in the UK.
You take him to the hospital or the doctors, then you go to the pharmacist to pick up your medication, take him home and give it. It's exactly the same here.
And rest. It was 193 rupees, which is literally about £3 for that medication. It's absolutely bargain because obviously in the UK we've got NHS, which is free. Alright, medication. collected. Taxi's here, let's go. Here we have it, guys. We've made it to a place called One Planet Restaurant. We're gonna have something to eat here. It's literally right by the market, which is our first time checking this market out. And you know what? Just looking at the flags all around the market. I was thinking when we was in the taxi before, I was like, are we in Nepal? Because it's so similar.
The food is good, and the mixed veg that's arrived is just how I want the mixed veg to be. Meal was delicious. I'm full now. Spent all morning at the hospital and we don't have anything to eat apart from a cup of coffee. But one thing I've noticed in a couple of places, well, all the places that we've been eating at so far, is you get this little bowl of green or kind of goodness here, which is this. And I think it smells like buy these packets of in Pakistan. It's called tulsi pan masala, and you know what? It's just a nice like little digestive after your meal. It has some fennel seeds in it, which freshens the bread, but also aids in digestion. This is what it smells like. It has a teeny bit of supari pan in there as well. So I think that's what it is. Let's see. So you just put it in the spoon. I'm gonna chuck it in my hand. You know when you're in like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, those places, when the sugar granules are like size of freaking mini diamonds and rocks. Look at that. Exactly right. A much sweeter version of pan masala.
So we're just purchasing some cow milk for Zakaria because here in India you get a lot of buffalo milk.
60 rupees for a litre?
Definitely cow milk.
Yeah, it's cow milk. I think the medicine has started to help a teeny bit because Zakaria is feeling a bit better.
Well, it looks like there's a mela going on. And for those who don't know what mela is, it's kind of like a...
Party! So, I saw a little leaflet that we got. There's like festivals going on in Ladakh over the next few days. So, I think this is what it is. There's like melas going on. See, people are dressed up very, very colourfully. Oh, and there's some very amazingly dressed people over there. Look at, wow! Look at these guys! I've never seen this before. This is proper unique to this region of the world. They look like they are absolute ballers. And this is beautiful. You know, that Mela looks very, very interesting. And just all the people dressed up in their traditional outfits of this local region, I think it's just always fascinating. Every single mountainous region that we've been to has just always blown us away.
Bolivia, Peru.
You know, they have so many similarities yet so many differences. It's like, I don't know, there's just something special about the people that live in the mountainous regions. They have such rich history, culture, traditions that just sets everything apart, and it's just always an interesting way of just seeing it. Just walking around the town itself, reading up on it online and looking at pictures online is nothing until you actually come here. So let's carry on walking around and see what else we can find.
So we come to this lovely jewellery shop here in the Tibetan market, and I have to say every single piece of jewellery here is very, very beautiful. I've just got myself some lovely blingy earrings. Thank you very much. I will say your name again. Dal Masri. Make sure you come and check her out. Thank you very much. She gave me a good price. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Absolutely stunning. You've got all these nice silver rings here as well.
The jewellery is really, really nice.
Yeah, lovely. Look at all this. So beautiful. Wow, that's a beautiful one.
The reason why we're buying the turtle now is because we went to Kenya and we forgot to buy the turtle, which cost literally £1, and we ended up paying $15 for a turtle at the airport. We got it for £4.
Okay.
Okay.
She didn't budge on the price.
She didn't budge on the price in the slightest. That was probably our worst negotiating skills ever. Hello. Hello. Chai?
Khatam.
Finish.
No.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow. And your name? Zubida Bano. Okay, maybe tomorrow.
Zubida. You Muslim?
Zubaida.
Assalamu alaikum. Nice. We are from Pakistan.
In Pakistan?
Yeah.
Oh, you Pakistan? Mashallah, mashallah.
Yeah.
Zakaria.
Mashallah.
Yeah. Ah, that's so cute. See guys, this is why you Pakistanis sitting at home wondering whether you should come to India. You should do it.
Yeah, right. I was just walking past and I was looking, and then I saw her and she reminded me of, you know, like your auntie. I'm so glad we stopped off because you could tell genuinely how happy they were when we said, you know, Assalamu alaikum to them, and
from Pakistan. So the best snacks are the street side snacks, right?
Yeah. And you know what? There's so many people queuing up, so the turnover is pretty high. See what it tastes like?
Oh, that crispiness. They look nice.
Yeah. This keema tastes like.
Oh, Bambos. This tea is the best that we've had.
This mosa is so good, so crispy, and it's so light. Ah, so
Wow, how can you sell that meat samosa with all that meat filling for 20 rupees?
It's bad, isn't it?
Oh, it's been an amazing 24 hours here in Leh.
You know what? I absolutely love this place. It's a very charming town.
Yeah, and you know, if you're in India for say a month or more, then definitely take a week out and come to this region because it's completely different to like the whole of the rest of India, and it has a very unique story to it as well, given where it's situated.
But guys, make sure you stick around because we have got so many adventures here in Ladakh that we have got planned. We're going to Numbra, we're going to loads of different stop-off points
Some
during
beautiful,
our
beautiful
time
places.
here. Honestly, you don't want to miss it. But on that note, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Remember, follow your visions, and we'll see you on the next one. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bow.
Still partly.
Continuous.